Today we're going to be doing the linear kinetics lab. The basis of this lab is we're pretty much just showing all of Newton's laws. He's got three of them. The first one, inertia, where an object in motion stays in motion unless acted on by an opposite force. His second law, force is mass times acceleration. His third law, actions have equal and opposite reactions. So in this lab, our demonstrator right here, Dakota, is going to be doing jumps on our force plate, which we'll show you here in a bit. And so every time he pushes down, there's going to be an opposite reaction from the force plate pushing up against him. And we're going to measure this to find force, and then using force, we're going to find acceleration, find initial velocity, and then find the maximum height of the jump at the apex of his jump. All right, here's Dakota. Here's the force plate. He's about to start jumping. He's going to do 3 times. We're going to take the mean force that we get from it. So if you want to go ahead and start it and jump. It's 1. And jump. 2, and go ahead and jump again. And 3. So now we're going to take the time that it took him to reach the top of that jump, and we're going to take the mean force that we got from all 3 jumps, and then that's what we're going to use to find acceleration, initial velocity, and maximum height. Here we have a force versus time graph. This is the data that we collected from the force plate. This is just one jump because we don't really want to put all 3 up here. It's harder to explain that way. We have time down here in milliseconds. As you can see, this is whenever Dakota's getting ready to jump. And then right here is whenever he first jumps. And then here is whenever he's in the air, and then when he lands. Right here, all this force that we're doing is in newtons, and so this is the data that we're going to be using for the calculations. The average force that we got was 1396.75 newtons. So we'll use the second law to find the acceleration. After we find acceleration, we already know what gravity is, and we already have the change in time, which we did from the video, which is 0.78 seconds. And so you'll be able to use that to find the initial velocity, and then we'll be able to find the maximum height using all of these